Brexit contributes to extinction through moral hazard, through increased transportation. You know the story. Anyway, extinction! I've got a song for you. It's an old, because I'm old, it's a 1960s song. It is possibly the most important environmental classic of its time. Here we go. The Eastern world, is it exploding? Violence flaring, bullets loading. You're old enough to kill, but not enough for voting. You don't believe in war, but what's that gun you're toting? And even the Jordan River, bodies burning dead. Tell me over and over and over again, my friend, how you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Extinction! Don't you understand what I'm trying to say? Can you feel the fears I'm feeling today? If the button is pushed, there's no running away. There'll be no one to save with the world in a grave. Take a look at your boy. Tell me over and over and over again, my friend, oh, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Think of all the hate in the Houses of Parliament, and take a look around, see Selma, Alabama, and they live here for 4 days in space, but when you return it's the same old place. The pounding of drums, the pride and the disgrace. You can bury your head, but don't leave a trace. Hate your next door neighbor, but don't forget to save it. And you tell me over and over and over again, my friends, how you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Extinction! Extinction! Just stop Parliament, just stop oil, just stop our extinction. I'm Peter Cook, find me on BrexitRage.com. Thank you.
Good man.